iPhone, Samsung, Motorola, Google, Xiaomi, Honor, and other mobile phones using Qualcomm chipset. If there is no service failure, the fault range is very large. It is difficult to maintain. Each computer has several sets of RFFE buses. Each group of chips connected by RFFE buses. Any chip damage will cause no service failure. In view of this unserviceable fault, a function has been added to our maintenance drawing software. With the testing instrument, the out-of-service fault can be quickly repaired. Let's take the iPhone 16 Pro as an example. Explain this usage. First, open the point bitmap of iPhone 16 Pro. Click the RFFE button above. iPhone 16 Pro has 5 sets of RFFE bus. Click RFFE1. You can see that there are 4 connected chips in this group. This chip is 1. This chip is 3. This chip is 6.
This chip is A. This is the 1.8 volt test point.
This is the SDA SCL test point.
This is an instrument that can be repaired quickly and has no service failure. Press and hold the power button to turn on the machine. There are 4 lines. The red one is 1.8 volts. Black is grounded.
The yellow one is followed by SCL. The blue one is connected to SDA. There is a raised switch on the handle of the blue probe. Press this switch to start testing. Click here to locate the 1.8 volt test point. The red line connects this point. Click here to locate the SDA SCL test point. Aim the 2 probes at the 2 test points respectively. Keep good contact, and then press the switch to detect. Let's actually operate it. After connecting the 1.8 volt wire with the ground wire, find the SDA SCL test point under the microscope. The 2 probes are aimed at 2 test points under the microscope. Keep good contact, then press the switch to start detection. The test result is 136A. Compare the test results with the results of the drawing software, and if they are the same, it means that this group is good. If the test result is 136, A is missing. That is, the chip corresponding to A is faulty. Click here to locate the chip corresponding to A. Check whether this chip is soldered well. Replace this chip. After measuring these 5 groups of buses, the faulty parts can be found soon. The accuracy is almost 100%. This drawing software has a full range of iPhone maintenance drawings. The group that lights up in red indicates that it is connected. Is the red number, which is the lowest resistance data. There are Samsung, Xiaomi, Motorola, Google, Voice, Honor, and other mobile phone maintenance drawings. There are maintenance drawings of DJI series UAVs.